Hi, and welcome. In this video, we're going to look at a common problem that a lot of long-term SOA Cloud users have. You've got applications and infrastructure that's been serving you well on 12.2.1.2, but it's no longer possible to create 12.2.1.2 instances. 12.2.1.3 is the way of the future, but how do you make sure there's a future for your applications? How can you take advantage of the features in Oracle's latest and greatest without a lot of pain? Manually recreating infrastructure is always a bear. It's repetitive work that no one wants to do. Plus, it's error-prone. One critical application setting among dozens can be missed, leading to sudden and baffling failures. We're going to use Myst for Oracle Cloud to solve this problem for us. To keep things short in this video, we're going to stay relatively high level. But in subsequent videos, we'll go in real time through each step of the process, showing everything involved. There are 4 steps we're going to work through: secure, discover, upgrade, and migrate. First, we're going to create a secure connection to our existing 12.2.1.2 instance. Next, we're going to discover our existing configuration and create a blueprint in Myst. Then, we'll upgrade that blueprint to 12.2.1.3 within Myst Studio. Finally, we'll migrate our infrastructure by applying our upgraded blueprint to an existing 12.2.1.3 instance. This instance could be running on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure or Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Classic. Secure, discover, upgrade, and migrate. Let's get to it. First step, secure. We're going to create a secure connection to the admin server host for our 12.2.1.2 instance. We create a new infrastructure provider and add the relevant key pair to access the server. With the key pair configured, we then create a new host definition for the host our admin server lives on in our 12.2.1.2 instance. We specify the IP address for the server and tell Myst we want to use the key pair we just added to the server as our agent credential. That creates our secure connection. That's step 1. Next up, discover. We select Discover SOA Cloud Service from the Myst menu. This is the first step in creating a blueprint that's going to contain the configuration in our 12.2.1.2 environment. We identify the host, domain directory, and admin password. The domain directory we've gotten by jumping onto the server directly and confirming it by going through the file system. There's no easy way around that. The admin password is the password for the WebLogic user. Myst then connects as the WebLogic user and discovers the domain's configuration. This will take a moment. Once that's done, we've got a new blueprint that contains all our configuration. We can see specific data source configuration, JCA adapters, JMS configuration, and a whole lot more. Once we save the new Myst blueprint, that's discovery done. Woohoo! 2 steps down, 2 to go. Next step, upgrade. We select Discover SOA Cloud Service again. But this time around, there's a lot going on in one dialog. We specify the blueprint we're going to base our new blueprint on and the Fusion middleware version for our new blueprint. This creates a new blueprint that encompasses the custom 12.2.1.2 configuration and the standard conventions of a 12.2.1.3 environment, thanks to Myst performing discovery on the existing 12.2.1.3 environment. This one step creates an upgraded configuration that represents our final target. That's our upgrade step performed by that one dialog. Our final step is to migrate. We'll go into this more in future videos, but for now, there are 2 specific commands we'll mention. If we check for drift at this point, Myst will list the full set of changes that will be applied to the existing 12.2.1.3 instance. This represents all of our custom configuration from our 12.2.1.2 instance that we want to port over. If we run the update command at this point, this will apply that 12.2.1.2 configuration to the 12.2.1.3 instance, completing our migration between SOACS versions. That's it. That's the final step of migration. I hope this illustrates how straightforward Myst for Oracle Cloud can make this process. We went through things at a pretty high level here, but we'll be going through each of these steps a little slower and with more detail in upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the Rubicon Red YouTube channel to get notified so you don't miss a thing. And as always, if there's a particular area of Myst you'd like to see video content on sooner, drop by our community Slack channel and let us know. You can find details for accessing the Slack channel below in the video description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.